Okay, this Photoshop, by the time you open your software, this is how it's going to preview precisely. This is Photoshop 2021, the interface on how it's going to preview. So if you want to create a new document, you see on your left, you see create new, then you see the open button. So you click on the create new, then it will take you up to this point. What you do now is, here you input your size. This is the width and this is the height, and this is the resolution you have to use. So okay, let's say the job we are doing now is we are posting it on Instagram, which we know is going to be square shape. Let's say 5 by 5, 5, 5. Then this is where you set, if you are to use it in inches, on the pixels, centimeter, millimeter, points, Pascal. So after that, here is where you have to put the orientation, if it's going to be a landscape or a portrait. Then this spot, you fill in your resolution. Let's leave it at 72. It's okay there. Then this is your artboard. This artboard, I'll explain what this artboard is used for later, but let's leave that. Then here is to set the base background, if it's going to be white, black, or background color transparent. So let's leave it at white. So by the time you are done, press create. Okay, this is the size. This is what we created. So you can start working on it. You can start doing whatever you have to do with it. Okay, I said something about the artboard. I'll show you what the artboard is for. Okay, this is same size, exactly what we did before, but now we are adding this artboard to it. We are ticking the artboard. If you observe closely, you see that we can add pages to it now. That's the work of the artboard too. It enables you to add pages to it. Okay, so you can reduce it. You see this spot now, you click on it, you create a new page. But I don't know why it's malfunctioning. Well, normally it's to show the spot in which you have to create a new page. So let me redo it again with a more bigger size, 10 by 10. Okay, inches, 10 by 10. I'm sure you tick on the artboard too. Leave the resolution there. Okay, this is what we have. So by the time you click on your artboard tool now, you'll be able to add pages. You click on it, create a new page, which is artboard 2, new page, 3, new page. So you can as well create as much pages as you want. To zoom out, so for those of you that are new to Photoshop, to zoom out is Ctrl minus, to zoom in is Ctrl plus, then Ctrl 0 for full screen page, full screen size. That's all you need to know about setting your documents. Thank you.